Welcome to this tutorial on how to use QuickBooks for your construction business. As a construction business owner, you need to manage your finances, track projects, and stay on top of your cash flow. QuickBooks is a powerful tool that can help you do just that. First, let's start with setting up your QuickBooks account. You'll need to create a new company file and set up your chart of accounts. This will include accounts for your assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Make sure to set up separate accounts for your construction projects, so you can track the income and expenses for each project separately. Next, let's talk about invoicing and billing. In QuickBooks, you can create custom invoices that include your company logo, project details, and payment terms. You can also set up recurring invoices for ongoing projects and track payments from your clients. Now, let's move on to project management. QuickBooks allows you to create separate projects and track the income and expenses for each project. You can also set up budgets for each project and track your progress against those budgets. This will help you stay on top of your project finances and make sure you're profitable. Another important aspect of construction accounting is job costing. QuickBooks allows you to track the costs of materials, labor, and equipment for each project. You can also allocate overhead costs to each project, so you can get a clear picture of your total job costs. In addition to project management and job costing, QuickBooks also provides tools for managing your cash flow. You can track your accounts receivable and payable, and set up reminders for upcoming payments. You can also use QuickBooks to manage your payroll and benefits for your employees. Finally, let's talk about reporting and analysis. QuickBooks provides a range of reports that can help you understand your business finances, including balance sheets, income statements, and project reports. You can also use QuickBooks to analyze your business data and make informed decisions about your construction business. By following these steps and using QuickBooks to manage your construction business, you'll be able to streamline your finances, track your projects, and stay on top of your cash flow. Remember to set up your accounts correctly, use custom invoices and project management tools, and track your job costs and cash flow. With QuickBooks, you'll be able to make informed decisions and drive your construction business forward.